So today it's another ball, another sleigh. I did not just say that. I need to get comfy first before the night. Because I'm going to be up on stage being the MC. I have my heels in my bag, so everything is all good. I think right now it's like waiting for the photo booth people to come and just waiting for a few more execs to arrive. But I think everything's okay so far. But yeah, I'm excited for tonight. I'm excited how this place is gonna transform at night. So quick update is that we've put the flags up already and there's just Jackie trying to jump. Hey. So we're setting up the photo booth, we're setting up the photo booth right now, and then this is pretty much the layout here. Hey, we have some twinkling lights, people. Yeah, good? Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm excited for tonight. Oh my god. Okay. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The DJ is gonna be there. We're gonna play games as well. Yeah. Easy. I think everything should be all good. This is another photo wall area as well. Almost seen. Oh my god! I actually quite. This is so cool. This is nice. I like. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, all good. All good. And then, yeah, so this is basically just like the another photo area. Hello. So, what's your name?
I'm Josh. I'm the photographer for this.
Hey, exciting. Exciting. Yes. Okay. And here's just, yeah, Laura just sitting there.
Just here chilling. Waiting until to change.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. And this is the balcony area where people can grab some fresh air. Because yeah, it's gonna get stuffy. So like we have this area balcony for people just to chill out, take photos. I don't know about the view, but like it's all good. Yeah, the view is a bit, but
not the best.
It's not the best, but at least people can breathe a bit, you know.
Well, this is like, I feel like if like the trees are gone.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
If you're cutting down the tree, it's.
Yeah. So basically, yeah, like what she said, like the trees covers the view. Like it'll be good. It'll be like.
Oh, be careful.
That's okay. It'll be like this, you know. But it's okay. It's okay. Oh yeah, and you can see inside here. That's pretty much it. Yes. Hey. Sorry, what's your name again? Sorry? Jacob. Kamira. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah. Okay, so this is the DJ for tonight. Hey. Yeah. So what's your name?
Jacob.
What's your favorite song from the list, would you say?
Oh my god. Probably the Chapel Burn song.
Oh.
Maybe some ABBA, maybe some Katie.
Okay. Excited.
Some of the house track.
I see. Excited for your work. Thank you. Thank you. Come here. Hey.
What?
This is Ferb. And this is Jafaya.
Oh wait, that's a cover.
Yeah.
Hi. Thank you, by the way.
Yes! Guys, so she wore my ball dress. She's wearing my dress. Yes! So, hey John. So, this is our mysterious performer, y'all. How excited are you to perform?
I am very nervous. I am pooping my pants. I don't know if I can swear.
Oh my god, yeah.
I think our mysterious performer will be the best performer we'll ever have. Wait. Anonymous. And look out for next year, maybe I'll.
Hey!
You better be.
Better be. Can I get one to the vlog. Now the ball was lit. You know, I was on stage. You guys saw that video. You know, like I'm gonna put like montages.
Did I see the video or did I skip?
Bro, guys,
Unsubscribe, please.
no, don't follow.
I'm just joking. Don't skip that part.
My feet are dying.
Look at it. Look at his feet. Look at his. Look at his feet.
Hey! These are paid. Join my only.